Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and if you're looking for the perfect gift to sweep someone off their feet, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing Valentine's Day gift ideas that'll melt hearts whether you're celebrating new love, forever love, or even self-love. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Personalized jewelry. Necklaces, bracelets, or rings engraved with initials, coordinates, or a special date. Classic, romantic, and meaningful. Number 2. Handwritten love letter or message jar. Go old school. A heartfelt letter or a jar filled with reasons why you love them can mean more than anything money can buy. Number 3. Custom star map. Capture the stars from the night you met or your first kiss. It's a unique gift that's both beautiful and sentimental. Number 4. DIY date night box. Fill a box with snacks, games, and a movie or playlist for the perfect night in. It's cozy, personal, and fun. Number 5. Couples experience gift. Plan something to do together, like a cooking class, spa day, or weekend getaway. Time spent together equals the ultimate gift. Number 6. Love coupons book. Create a little book of coupons they can cash in, like breakfast in bed, a massage, or a no chores day. Cute and fun. Number 7. Personalized photo puzzle. Take a favorite picture of you two and turn it into a puzzle. Bonus. Do it together for a sweet bonding moment. Number 8. Forever rose or preserved flowers. A bouquet that lasts more than a few days? Yes, please. These preserved roses look gorgeous for years. Number 9. Personalized Spotify plaque or soundwave art. Pick your song, a photo, and turn it into a beautiful piece of art. It's music and love combined in one frame. Number 10. Custom portrait of you two. Whether it's watercolor, cartoon, or digital art, this thoughtful and artsy gift will hang in their heart forever. Valentine's Day doesn't have to be cliché. Whether you're going for sweet, creative, or sentimental, these gift ideas are all about showing love in a meaningful way. If this video gave you some inspiration, give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite idea below, and don't forget to subscribe for more romantic gift guides and thoughtful surprises.